Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to create a Libs generator in Python. So without wasting any more time, let's start coding. So here I have created a file known as madlibs.py. After it, I'll start by writing a print statement, print hi. Welcome to my Libs generator. Then I'll create a function known as madlibs1. Now inside this function I'll create three variables: name, food and time. So these three variables are according to the example of the madlibs which I am going to create. You can create any of your own variables. So in name I'll write input your name please. In food I'll write input food name please. And lastly in time also I'll write input time please. Alright, now that's done. Now I'll create a print statement to display all of the inputs into a one-liner story. Print in formatted strings, print name, our variable name, went to get variable food at whatever time input. Alright, now I'll run it, but before running it we'll have to call our function first. So madlibs1. Alright, now let's run it. Alright, so now it's showing hi, welcome to my Libs generator, your name please. So I'll write name, food name please, let's say burger maybe, time please 12 p.m. Alright, now a final one-liner story is made. Neil went to get burger at 12 p.m. So this is how madlibs usually works. You can create a full story with this based on the inputs. Now this is just one example. We'll create one more. So before creating another example, I'll define a variable known as choose integer input. There are two versions. Which one will you play? Alright, and then in a new line we'll write one for version number 1. We'll just write 1. And in another new line 2 for version 2. Alright, and then we'll leave 2 blank lines. Alright, now we'll just remove it for the meantime and create one more function, madlibs2. In this example, I'll take 4 variables: character, gender, adjective, and verb. Alright, in character, as earlier, we'll input, enter a famous, let's say, cartoon character's name. Right here I'll just put double quotes. Alright, now in gender, so rather than writing it, we'll just copy paste it here. Alright, now in gender, we'll write, is your character he or she? Alright, now in adjective, we'll write, enter an adjective describing the character, please. And lastly, in verb, we'll write, enter what your character likes to do the most. Alright, so now we have defined the 4 variables. Now we'll convert it into a one-liner story. Print, again formatted loops, describing the variable character, whatever it's inputted, gender, like for example he was, adjective, and again we'll use the variable gender, liked to, verb, what the character liked to do the most. Alright, so we have created the second function, second example. Now we'll create an if statement. If choose equals to integer 1. If the user chooses the first version, then we'll have to call out the first function. Elif choose equals to integer number 2. Then we'll call out the second function. Or else we'll just print out, like, let's say, wrong entry. Alright, so now it's done and we'll run it once more. Alright, showing as it showed earlier. Hi, welcome to my Minds-Neel generator. Now here it's showing there are 2 versions. Instead of directly running the first example, there are 2 versions. Which one will you play? One for version 1, 2 for version 2. So we'll go for 2. Alright, now it called out the second function, this second example. Enter a famous cartoon character's name, please. Let's say Superman. Is a character he or she? He. Enter an adjective describing the character, please. Is strong. Enter what your character likes to do the most. He likes to fight. for an example. So now it converted into a one-liner story describing Superman. He was strong and he liked to fight. Yeah, we'll run once more, and this time we'll give an incorrect entry, and see, it showed wrong entry. Alright guys, so this was just a basic example of how to code Mad Libs in Python. I hope you liked the video. If you do, please click the like button, share this video, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button. And for the meantime, stay tuned for my next video. Bye bye.